clap. I'm Jay Westland. I am CTO at the Celtics. I've been here for, it's actually my 34th season working games, so I've been here for a long time. Working with Mission Cloud helps me to focus my internal resources on our core strengths while Mission Cloud focuses on AWS and our infrastructure. With Mission Cloud, I don't have to stress about all the details associated with running an AWS infrastructure. Absolutely, Mission Cloud is a strategic partner to the Celtics. I've always been a fan of vendor partners. I always say I'm only as good as my vendors. I run a very small staff on purpose, and I want to really leverage my partners, and the strategic ones like Mission Cloud are what make me successful. You know, Mission Cloud has also built a reputation in the industry of AWS, if you will, of being one of the best, if not the best, of these sort of third parties that deal with AWS infrastructure.